Good evening, class 9 theorems on triangles. Last time I gave introduction to triangles, different types of triangles. Today, theorem 5, the median. The question is this: the median of an isosceles triangle is perpendicular to the base and bisects the vertical angle. Now, what is the meaning? What do you mean by median? What do you mean by isosceles triangle? Two sides equal. Median, the line drawn from the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. Vertex part opposite side को midpoint मा जोड्ने अर्थात् triangle लाई two equal parts मा divide गर्ने line is perpendicular means makes 90 degree to the base and bisects the vertical angle. How to, just by seeing the question, how to draw the diagram. See, step by step I will show the process. See, the median of an isosceles triangle. So first of all, draw an isosceles triangle. Solution. First of all, isosceles triangle. This. See, isosceles triangle. Median means what is given? Isosceles triangle given, median given. The given condition is better to write down instead of solution. It is better to write down given. What is the given condition? Just see the question. The median of an isosceles triangle is perpendicular. See what is given? The given condition is the median of an isosceles. Median given, isosceles triangle given. The verb is. Is verb हो त्योभन्दा पछाडिको चाहिँ verb भन्दा अगाडिको given, verb भन्दा पछाडिको to prove. Median given, isosceles triangle given, to prove is perpendicular to prove. Perpendicular to the base and bisects the vertical angle. Vertical angle लाई bisect गर्छ medianले. That is to prove. Median and isosceles given, perpendicular and base, perpendicular and bisector to prove. Given is ABC is an isosceles triangle. That is given. Isosceles triangle given. Median is AD is the median on BC at D. What do you mean by AD? AD is the median, means a straight line. See, I draw a different type of triangle. This type of triangle. If you draw a line which bisects the opposite side, this is called the median. This is called the median. These two sides are equal. So the median bisects the triangle in two equal area. So AD is the bisector of triangle ABC. It means it bisects BC at D. What does it mean? AD is the median. It means that is BD equal CD. In compulsory math, you can write BD equal CD. But in optional math, you should write vector BD equal vector DC. AD is a median means BD equal CD. AD bisects BC. To prove. Which is to prove? After is. This is the verb. The verb is. After is perpendicular to prove. Bisects the vertical angle is also to prove. AD is perpendicular to BC. That is to prove. So 90 degree हुन्छ भनेर प्रुभ गर्नुपर्ने. Proof number 1. Proof number 2. The median AD bisects the vertical angle. BAC is the vertical angle. That means BAD equal angle CAD. What does it mean? AD bisects angle BAC. It means AD bisects angle BAC, the vertical angle. AD ले vertical angle BAC लाई bisect गर्छ. AD bisects angle BAC. It means angle BAD equal angle CAD. Is there any construction? Just think, is construction needed? No. Why no? Because all things are given and you can easily prove it. AB equal AC given, BD equal CD given, AD is equal to AD, common side. From side, you can prove two triangles are congruent. So, is construction needed? कि हामीले construction गर्नु पर्ला? No, it is not necessary. Construction is not necessary because you can directly apply SSS fact. What is the plan to prove it? Use SSS axiom to prove triangle ABD and triangle ACD equal. Plan is side. Just you can directly prove from side and angle BAD equal CAD corresponding angles and angle ADB equal ADC corresponding angles. Here I think this space is not enough, so I may rub it. The median of an isosceles triangle is perpendicular to the base. Median given, isosceles given. ABC is an isosceles triangle. It means AB equal AC. Isosceles means AB equal AC. AD is the median, means BD equal CD given. To prove is perpendicular. Which is perpendicular? Median is perpendicular to the base. AD is perpendicular to the base. Prove गर्नु पर्ने. To prove AD is perpendicular to base and the median AD bisects the vertical angle BAC. It means angle BAD equal angle CAD. Plan, use SSS fact. Theorem 5. Now proof. Or proof, I draw the figure again. ABC isosceles triangle. ABC isosceles. AD median given. This is also given. Proof. In proof, you can write facts and reasons. Fact or statement same. Fact number 1. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD. What can you write? In triangle ABD and ACD, what things can you write? What things? Apply. I have already written apply SSS fact. So, side. AB equal AC. This is given. Because triangle ABC is, it means triangle ABC is isosceles. So it is given. Another BD equal CD. This is also given. How? Because AD is the median. A median is a straight line which bisects the opposite side. AD is a median भन्नाले AD ले BD लाई BC लाई bisect गर्छ. AD is a median means BD equal CD given. And another AD equal AD. Why? Common side. From side, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD and SSS fact or axiom. From side AB equal AC given, BD equal CD given, AD equal AD, common side. Two triangles are congruent. Then BD equal CD. BD and CD equal vertical angles are equal. Angle see BD opposite BAD, CD opposite angle CAD, being corresponding angles of the congruent triangles. From fact what? 1 to 1 to 2. This one. From fact BD equals CD. Since BD equals CD, two sides are equal. Their opposite angles are also equal. Another angle. Angle ADB equal ADC. Angle ADB equal angle ADC. Reason 3. Corresponding angles of the congruent triangles. These two angles are equal, but their sum is 180 degree. Angle ADB plus angle ADC equal 180 degree. Reason straight angle. If two angles are equal, and their sum is 180 degree. What does it mean? Their values are 90 degree is दुईटा एंगल इक्वल पनि छ र दुईटाको सम 180 छ भने कति हुनु पर्यो 90 हुनु पर्यो. इट मिन्स you can prove angle ADB equal 90 degree and angle ADC is also 90 degree. From facts 4 and 5. From facts 4 and 5, fact 4 says that ADB equal ADC. Fact 4. Fact 5 says the sum is 180 degree. It means angle ADB equal 90, angle ADC equal 90. Both are 90. Now, in fact 7, you can just combine. In fact 7, you can just combine and write down BAD equal CAD from this, or ADB. See, BAD equal CAD already proved, and from 6 number AD is perpendicular to BC. We can just write down the summary fact number 7. In fact number 7, what you can write? Fact 6, fact number 7. Facts, reasons. Fact number 7, you can write perpendicular to the base. AD is perpendicular to BC at D, and angle BAD equal angle CAD. Can you remember from what? From facts 3 and 6. From fact 3, BAD equal CAD from fact 3, and from fact 6, since angle ADB equal angle ADC equal 90 degree, it shows AD is perpendicular to BC at D. So, the median of an isosceles triangle is perpendicular to the base and bisects the vertical angle. What is given? Given condition is AB equal AC, isosceles. AD is a median, means BD equal CD. To prove AD is perpendicular to BC and AD is the bisector of angle BAC, means angle BAD equal angle CAD. Proof. Use SSS fact. AB equal AC, given. BD equal CD, given. AD equal AD, common side. Two triangles are congruent. It means angle BAD equal angle CAD. Corresponding angles. One proof. Another angle ADB equal ADC, corresponding angles. These two angles are equal, but the sum is 180 degree. It means angle ADB equal 90, ADC equal 90. It shows that AD is perpendicular to the base BC and bisector of the vertical angle BAC. Theorem number 5 proved. From apply SSS fact. And theorem 6. You can make other theorems as well. Yeah? Other theorems. If two sides are equal and one median is drawn, that median is perpendicular. Another, if one side is drawn perpendicular to the base, it bisects the base. You can apply either side, angle, side angle, angle, side angle, or RSS. There are 5 facts: SSS, SAS, SA, ASA, and RSS. यो 5 वटा मध्ये एउटा अप्लाई गर्न सकिन्छ. You can apply any one out of 5. Theorem 6. Okay. Theorem 6, midpoint theorem. It is also called what you call midpoint theorem. Midpoint theorem. This midpoint theorem is very important, not only in compulsory math, it is also equally important in optional math as well. For example, very short question can be drawn like this. If ABC is a triangle, if D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC, if BC equals suppose 8 centimeter, it must be 4. It must be BC half is D. And another, this is AD equal BD, A equal C. Suppose D equal 10. If D equal 10, BC must be 2 times 10, 20. In Nepali, AB को midpoint D, AC को midpoint E हो भने BC को half DE हुन्छ र parallel हुन्छ. DE is parallel to BC. Another, if DE is given, you can find BC. BC is double of DE and DE is half of BC and parallel to BC. So it is called the midpoint theorem. Theorem 6, midpoint theorem. The last for today. Theorem 6, midpoint theorem. How to write? The line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and half of it. Now, how to draw the diagram just by seeing the question? You प्रश्न हेरेर कसरी diagram बनाउने? See, I have to give you hints. The line, there is a line joining. What line is that? Joining the midpoints of how many sides? Two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and half of it. It shows that there is a triangle. Say it is, for the sake of convenience, there is a triangle ABC. The line, there is a line which joins the midpoints of two sides. Suppose AB, D is the midpoint of AB, and suppose E is the midpoint of AC. D midpoint of AB, E midpoint of AC. Join. D is joined. AD equal BD, AE equal C. What is given? The line meets D joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle. Means draw triangle ABC, and two points are there, D and E. D is the midpoint of AB, E is the midpoint of AC. The midpoints are joined, a line is formed, that is DE. And what to prove? This line DE is parallel to the third side BC and half of the third side BC. What is given then? Which is given, which is to prove? The line joining the midpoints given of two sides of a triangle. Up to here it is given. Now to prove is from is parallel to the third side and half of it. Parallel to prove and half of it is also to prove. Given मा के हुन्छ midpoint चाहिँ given भयो. Given midpoints given, parallel to prove and half is also to prove. यसलाई यो प्रश्न हेरेर given कुन हो र to prove के हो छुट्याउनु तरिका. The line joining the midpoints given in triangle ABC, D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively. D is the midpoint of AB, E is the midpoint of AC. What is to prove? To prove, how to find out? The line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. Which is parallel to the third side? The line DE. Here DE is joined. Which is parallel? DE is parallel. D is parallel to the third side BC and DE is half of BC. D is half of BC and parallel to BC. Given to prove construction is needed. Do you think construction is needed? Yes. How to construct? One, see, for construction, either you can produce it or you can just make one line parallel to it and just produce it. यो BA सँग प्यारल हुने गरी एउटा लाइन ड्रा गर्ने ABCDE सँग अनि यो DE लाई F सँग बढाउने र यो प्यारल लाइन चाहिँ F मा काटिन्छ. See, line what to do? A line CF is drawn. BA सँग प्यारल हुने गरी CF ड्रा गर्ने, DE लाई F सँग प्रोड्युस गर्ने. अब के गर्न सकिन्छ? I give you hints. AD equal DB. यो र यो प्यारल छ भने के गर्न सकिन्छ? यो एंगलसँग के गर्न सकिन्छ? यो एंगल इक्वल हुन्छ. दिस एंगल इक्वल दिस एंगल, दिस साइड इक्वल दिस साइड. फ्रम side angle, these two triangles are congruent. यसलाई गर्ने तरिका पहिला के गर्नु पर्यो? Two triangles are from angle side. यो congruent देखाउने. So triangle ADE and CEF are congruent from AAS. यो गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि हामीले विचार गर्नु पर्यो. यो र यो ट्रायंगल congruent. यो र यो congruent भएपछि अब हेरौं. यो र यो एंगल इक्वल हुन्छ. AD equal CF. But AD is BD. यो र यो अब के भयो? इक्वल एन्ड प्यारलल छ. यो र यो इक्वल एन्ड प्यारलल सी. यो दुईटा लाइन चाहिँ इक्वल एन्ड प्यारलल छ भने हामीले के बुझ्नु पर्छ? यो एउटा थ्योरम छ यहाँ. यो एउटा थ्योरम छ. these two lines are equal and parallel छ भने यो र यो पनि इक्वल एन्ड प्यारलल हुन्छ फ्रम एंगल साइन एंगल फ्याक्टबाट हामीले देखाउन सक्छौं इक्वल एन्ड प्यारलल छ भने यो र इक्वल एन्ड प्यारलल छ भने यो र यो इक्वल छ यो साइड इक्वल साइड अनि प्यारलल हुँदा यो इक्वल यो पनि हुन्छ फ्रम साइड एंगल साइड यो इक्वल यो प्यारलल एन्ड इक्वल AD equal BD already given, but AD is equal to CF. Means BD and CF are equal and opposite. BD and CF are equal and opposite means DF and BC are also equal and opposite. Then parallel BCFT is a parallelogram. Parallelogram को opposite side के हुन्छ equal हुन्छ. अब DE equal EF देखाउने अब यो र यो इक्वल छ पुरा चाहिँ योसँग इक्वल छ भने DE is half of DF because DE equal EF but DF equal to BC so DE is half of BC and how to show that these two sides are parallel how to show because BD and CF are parallel so equal and parallel so DF and BC are also parallel यसरी देखाउने so construction what construction is needed? I'll draw again. A, B, C, D, E. What construction is needed? Construction लाई म फेरि यहाँ गर्दिन्छु यहाँबाट अनि फेरि यसको प्रुफलाई गरौँ न यसलाई बढाउने write here what to write all line CF parallel to BA all line CF parallel to BA is drawn DE is produced to meet CF at F. BA is parallel to CF by construction. Then DE is produced to F so that DE produced and CF meet at the point F. Construction. Proof. What is proof? For proof, you have to show these two triangles are congruent. What fact? Side angle fact. Use side angle fact to show two triangles are congruent. Proof ma chai यो गर्नुपर्छ. I will rub whole and solve because it takes some space. यसलाई के स्पेस लाग्ने हुन्छ. अब यसमा सम्झिराख्नु के छ? See, can you remember A B C D E F? Now, what is given? The line joining the midpoints of two sides is parallel to the third side and half of it. D is the midpoint of AB, E is the midpoint of AC. To prove DE is parallel to BC and half of BC, construction or line CF is drawn parallel to BA, produce DE to meet at F, CF is joined. So, and so these two triangles are common. Now I will rub it. Theorem 6 for proof. Proof. What figure is there? A, B, C, D, E, F. These two sides are equal. These two sides are also equal. A little bit slightly. Use side angle side fact. So, facts, reasons. Without wasting time, you should show these two triangles are congruent. In triangle ADE and triangle CEF these two triangles are, see, directly side angle side or side angle angle. You can write side angle angle also. This angle equal this angle. Angle side angle is also correct. Angle this angle equal this angle. See, so this angle equal this angle. Alternate angle. Angle ADE equals CFE. EFC or C, angle CFE, region alternate angles, full form alternate angle, ALT alternate angles. Another, this angle equal this angle equal this angle, angle AED equal angle CEF, vertically opposite angles. Full form is vertically opposite angles, but you can write this way. Third one, at least one side is necessary. AE equal CE. This is given because E is the midpoint of AC given. Now two triangles are congruent, means triangle ADE is congruent to triangle ADE is CEF. Triangle CEF. Fact what? Angle side, angle side. Fact angle side. Or you can write angle side angle also. This angle equal this angle. A equals C पनि देखाउन मिल्छ. Angle side angle. Both alternate angles. If two triangles are congruent, what can you say? जुन angle equal छ हेर त AED र CF. AD equal CF हुन्छ. AD equal यसलाई छोप दिने. यहाँ के देख्यो? AD. यसलाई छोपेर यो angle हेर्नु के देख्यो? CF. टेक्निक AD equal CF हुन्छ. AD equal CF हेरौँ त. AD equal CF हुन्छ. Reason being corresponding sides of the congruent triangles. Triangles are congruent, so AD equals CF. But AD is already given equal to BD. This is given. How given? D is the midpoint of AB. AD equal BD, but AD equals CF. It means AD cancel. BD equal CF. Fact from facts 3 and 4. From facts 3 and 4. BD equal CF. BD equals CF, but BD and CF are already equivalent parallel. By construction, BD and CF are already equivalent parallel. BD is parallel to CF by construction. By construction, BD is parallel to CF. It means if BD and CF are equal and parallel, then BC and DF are also equal and parallel. From facts 5 and 6, you can write BC DF. BC equal DF and BC is parallel to DF. From facts 5 and 6. What is the statement? There is one statement. The lines joining the endpoints of two equivalent parallel sides are also equivalent parallel. Suppose these two sides are equivalent parallel. These two sides are equivalent parallel. If you join the endpoints of two equivalent parallel sides, these two sides are also equivalent parallel. So from facts 5 and 6, you can write BC is equal to DF and BC is parallel to DF. It means BCFD is a parallelogram. BCFD is a parallelogram. It means, what can you write? I just drop number 7, now 8. Fact number 8. What can you write? BCFD is a parallelogram. So when these two are equal, can you write DE equal EF? Again, being corresponding sides of the congruent triangle. See, AD equal CF, corresponding side. DE equal EF, corresponding side. DE equal EF. It means if DE equal EF, you can write DE equal half of TF. From fact 8. यो इक्वल छ भन्नाले यो सानो चाहिँ ठुलोको हाफ हुन्छ. From fact 8 by whole parts exam, DE is half of DF, but DF is already given to BC. DE is DE, half is half. What is the value of DF? BC. Value of यो half, यो DE यहाँ लेख्ने, half को half यहाँ लेख्ने, BC चाहिँ BC को value, DF को value BC यहाँ राख्ने. And what to write then? From facts कहाँबाट लियो? 7 and 9. Fact 7 says BC equal DF and BC is parallel to DF. And fact 9 says DE equal half of DF. DE is DE, half is half. DF equal to, write DF equal BC from fact 7 and 9. From fact 7 and 9, you can write D equal half BC. And half D is half of BC. But DE and BC are already, DE and BC are already parallel. Therefore, in number 11, DE is equal parallel to BC and DE is half of BC from facts. What facts? From facts BD कहाँबाट गर्न सकिन्छ? BD parallel to CF, BC parallel to 7 and 10. From facts 7 and 10. Just check whether it is right or wrong. BC is equal to DF. From fact 7, BC is parallel to DF. So DE is also parallel to BC because DE is a part of DF. DE is half of BC from fact 5. So this theorem proves that the line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and half of it. Finally, in triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of AB, E is the midpoint of AC. So DE is, to prove DE is parallel to BC and half of BC. Construction: a line CF is drawn parallel to B, DE is joined to F. Use angle side fact and prove triangle ADE and CEF are congruent. So AD equal CF and DE equal EF, corresponding sides. But AD equal BD. Therefore AD equal CF, but AD equal BD. So BD equal CF and BD is parallel to CF. If BD and CF are equal and parallel, we can prove that BC and DF are also equal and parallel. It means BCAD is a parallelogram. The opposite sides are equal and parallel also. So if DE equal EF, we can say DE is half of DF. DE is half of DF, but DF equal to BC. So DE is half of DF and half of BC, because BC and DF are equal and opposite, equal and parallel. In the same way, DF is already parallel to BC, so you can prove that DE is parallel to BC and half of BC proved in this way. And next time we continue other theorems.